Okay, this is Scott, robot Belch, Run-1. Go ahead and start, Scott. Going straight, doing a good job. Handling this up and down ruddy ground very well. Pretty fast too.
Touching.
3 points. Here we go.
The deep grass.
Ooh, not good. Ooh, 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 ooh. His obstacle avoidance is kicked in and did a good job. Excellent. Uh-oh.
It's supposed to go right at the crest of this hill.
Oh, okay, so it's not going to go after that.
No.
Okay, good.
How come you didn't have a waypoint that led it out of that area?
I thought this one did.
Yeah.
But I didn't want to go too far up. You don't want to you're fighting both ends.
Yeah.
See, now,
This is the
the
an added barrier that was put in after we did the course run this morning to make it a little more difficult. Okay. Scott had programmed in an additional waypoint to clear some of the obstacles. He was real concerned about this one narrow pole that's over here. But it looks to me like, okay, let's see what he timed that nicely. This was the pole he was concerned about. I want to say his obstacle kicked in a little bit.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I think it did. Okay, point 4.
So yeah, now it's seeing
Sweet.
5, 6.
So the tennis balls, Doug, if you knock them off, does that mean
You get a 2-minute time add.
Oh, okay.
If you topple the cone, you get an 8-minute. All right. So, if you're not much of a competitor, then it doesn't really matter too much. But if you're competing with a lot of competition, it becomes more important.
We're at 4 minutes.
Yeah, I thought that was extra point. Damn it, man. No, it's going to go to a waypoint up here by the tree.
Somebody placed a obstacle.
That's okay, it should be alright. Like it's going right where I'm. Amazingly enough, never does that in practice.
way up. But with those big balloon tires, he should do without too much trouble.
You don't care about bumps. Look at the moguls. Does it stop when it's touching or when it says that it's shut?
I'm sorry.
Does it stop when it touches the cone or when it says that it stopped? Scott says
When he gets out, I'll tell you when to stop.
okay.
Okay.